Hi, you're welcome to GMats class. Now let's solve this problem together. Now solve 9 raised to the power of x minus x raised to the power of 4 equals to 65. 9 raised to the power of x minus x raised to the power of 4 equals to 65. Now I'm going to express 9 in index form. That is 3 raised to the power of 2, because 3 times 3 is 9. So, and I have a power here, that is x. So minus, this is x raised to the power of 2. So because 2 times 2 is the same thing as 4. So, and this is 65. Alright, so now I'm bringing this in and this one comes out. It doesn't change the fact that it's still 9 raised to the power of x. So we have 3 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 2 minus x raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 equals to 65. Alright, so now when you look at this, we now have subtraction of 2 squares. This is a square, this is also a square. So subtraction of 2 squares. So difference of 2 squares. So when we have difference of 2 squares of this form, a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2. So the expression is going to be a minus b times a plus b. Alright, so this one is the a, 3 raised to the power of x is the a, x raised to the power of 2 is the b. Alright, so now this turns to 3 raised to the power of x minus x raised to the power of 2 times 3 raised to the power of x plus x raised to the power of 2 equals to now this is the same thing as 13 times 5. 13 times 5 is 65. Okay, so now two numbers are multiplying each other is equated to two numbers also multiplying each other. So now that means that what we have here, this will be equals to 5. When you compare, this is going to be equal to 5 and this will be equal to 13 if we must preserve the equality. So now I now have two equations now. So the first one is 3 raised to the power of x minus x raised to the power of 2 equals to 5. That is equation 1. Now it's going to be equal to 5 because this is going to be a positive number. So when you remove a positive number from this, it must be smaller to when you are adding a positive number to another number. Okay, so now so this is going to be 5. So this is going to be 13. So we have 3 raised to the power of x plus x raised to the power of 2 equals to 13. We call this equation 2. Then you can add this and this together or you subtract. So, but this time around, I think it pays to add. So when you add this and this together, you have 2 of 3 raised to the power of x. Okay, 2 of this one. So we have 2 of them. So when you add this and this together, you have 0. So and this and this gives you 18. So you can divide both sides by 2. So you divide this by 2, this by 2. So when you divide this by 2, you'll be left with 3 raised to the power of x. You divide this by 2, you have 9. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Alright, so that's going to be 3 raised to the power of x equals to 3 raised to the power of 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So therefore, x equals to 2. So that's going to be the answer to this problem. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe, share this video with your friends and drop your comments. Thanks.